Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn new topic, fill series in Excel by different ways. Here you see the examples. We use four ways to write serial number or fill series in different ways, and it is the screenshot for your learning purpose. You just review this link, this photo, and you can understand how can we do simple fill series in Excel. And for your understanding purpose, I write in steps as well. Hopefully it will helpful for you. Let's start with example. Here is four examples: how to fill data, how to fill series. I delete it and I will do it myself for your learning purpose. First, we can fill series by manually, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. You see here we fill data by manually typing, and if we want to do more faster, we just select one, type 1, use equal to this plus 1, and copy it by mouse, copy and paste. The remaining series comes automatically. The third way is write 1 and 2, select the range by mouse, and you see the plus sign here. Just scroll down, just down it by mouse click and leave it. You see the 10 comes automatically. If you have more than 10 or 1000 or 20,000, then in this sheet, in this example, you have to type 1 to 1000 by manually. In this type, you have to drag down manually to 1000 rows. Here also you have to write mouse by mouse click by mouse, using by mouse you have to select 1000 data, 1000 rows. The fastest steps I would share with you. You just write 1 here, and step 1, write 1 in cell. I write 1 in cell. Click on home tab. This is home tab. In editing bar, this one is editing bar. You see here editing. Okay, click on fill. Click on fill. This is fill. And click on series. This is series. Here you see in series selection, select column. This one is column. Okay, in type section, this one is type section, click linear. This automatically select linear. And step value field 1, stop value, if I write here 1000, it will just in second it comes. It's automatically comes to 1 to 1000. I write it 1000. Okay, if I write 20,000, it will go to 20,000 as well. Okay, stop value field type whatever value you want to stop value, like 10 or whatever value. I write it 1000. I select OK. Now you see the series comes 1000. You see the result of using fill series in Excel. This is the difference. Actually, when we use Excel, we have different scenarios. If I write manually how many series I need, I can use this formula as well to fill series. I can use this option as well to fill series. If I have more series, then I can use the simplest way. It is more easy, and for your review and example purpose, for your understanding purpose, I write its step as well, and photo as well. You see the 1000 I write here. That would be very easy whenever you need to know how to use fill series. you can see, you can understand by this picture, this steps. And if you need more things, you can use this, you can watch this video, and you can learn it easily. Hopefully you like it, you like this video. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe my channel, and comment us in whatever you want to ask about questions. And if you want to learn Excel, you can watch my Excel videos in my YouTube channel. Hopefully you understand it. Thank you so much.